Hey everybody, and welcome to a beautiful rainy fall Minnesota day here. It's about, 50 degrees out. One of our last warm days we're going to have actually right now. Nice and windy. Little mist is starting. But what we got today is a project to help work on and fix up the Dodge here before wintertime. It's a little dirty. Gotta get her cleaned up here. But so we all run nerf bars, or a lot of people run nerf bars on their trucks, and one of the common problems that people have is the nerf bar steps kind of coming loose on you. This is an exaggeration because I just took this one off. But so the back, let's say the back would be loose and wanting to pop up after a while over time. And then eventually the whole thing just comes off, and if you're not careful it'll fly off down the road. Then you're left with no step at all. So today I'm going to show you how to fix that, which obviously the first step would be identifying that you have that problem. Second step would be taking this off of here, which you just lift up. It's held in with two little tabs. Basically mine was held in with some other stuff because I had done this once before. But I figured I'd show you guys what I'm doing. So once you get these taken off, I've already done the other three. Then I decided I should do a video and show you guys what to do in case you have the same problem. First thing would be take that off. Next step would be to clean all of this dirt off of here. Dirt and whatever else may be under there. Should just be dirt on your guys. Mine, I had some other goop stuff that was holding it on here before. So as you can see, the stuff will just peel off here after a while. It actually bonds really good and holds on really good. So let me get this cleaned up and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so hit your local hardware store, Menards. Local hardware store, Menards and stuff. There's this stuff called E6000. And there's also stuff called Amazing Goop. And I got the automotive goop, which is basically the same as the E6000 automotive and industrial. I would just squeeze this over the pegs. That'll lock the pegs in there. And then what I do is I lay a nice thick bead around this whole outer lip like this and go around here. So I'm going to show you. This stuff comes out really thick, as you can tell, which is good. I'll just try and blot some on here onto the peg, so when it goes in there it locks it in good. Another one here. But okay, so that's pretty much what you want to do. Just fill this thing, fill the edges where it makes contact with like that. Get it nice and full of goop. This stuff is really thick, so don't worry, when you turn it over it won't fall out. And yeah, just secure it down. When you secure it down, push down on each end of this and then use electrical tape to help hold it together, because this stuff takes 24 hours to bond, and then it's like 72 hours total to dry. So don't plan on using, well, you can use your vehicle, but you're gonna have electrical tape holding these things down for a while. So I'll show you after a minute. I gotta get this on here with electrical tape because it's raining, so I'll show you once I'm done here. Alright guys, so I just started back here. I pushed down, wrapped electrical tape tight around it just to hold it down. Come around here, then you would hold down on the step here. You'd hold down on the step here as you pull the electrical tape around, just to get it nice and, you want to pull nice and tight. So that way you push down, and then watch, you push down and you get that goop coming out. That's what you want, because you want to hold it nice and tight together so that stuff bonds to your nerf bars and holds it on there good. So, alright, I'll catch you later. Alright, hey everybody. It's been about 2.5 days now since we put on that glue on here. So as you can see, it's bonded really, really well. So it's time to take off the electrical tape. And then let's see how well this stuff holds on here. Don't want to put on a $400 set of Nerf bars. Oh yeah. That is on there solid, guys. No wiggling, no moving, no nothing. Perfect. That's what we wanted. I'll take the tape off the other 3 and we'll be all set. So hope you like the video. Remember, favorite, like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. And yeah, we had snow today. Officially had the first day of snow. Not much, but a few little flurries. Actually, there's a couple tiny little buggers coming down right now. But it is September 28th, I believe. Yep, September 28th, 2018, northern Minnesota, and we have snow flurries going on. This is going to be an early winter, guys. It's a good sign, especially if you like snow, but hopefully we don't get too much cold weather with it. So, all right, we'll catch you guys later, and thanks for watching.